adapt definition, adapt in a sentence, adapt pronunciation, adapt meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of adapt. 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 Adapt means to become adjusted and comfortable in new conditions, or to alter or to change for a new purpose. Common usages in academic writing: adapt to change, adapt quickly, adapt to new conditions. Example sentence: adapt verb. Hospital staff must adapt their procedures to the equipment that is made available to them. The common academic writing variations are adaptable, adjective. Children under the age of 5 are highly adaptable to change in living conditions. And adaptation, noun. Pack hunting is an adaptation that helps smaller animals hunt larger prey. Please write a sentence using adapt in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use adapt confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.